In this video, we'll do a detailed comparison between Notion and Trello. Enjoy! Notion and Trello are both popular productivity and project management tools, but they differ in their primary functionalities and approaches to organizing information. Purpose: Notion is a comprehensive all-in-one workspace that allows users to create notes, databases, wikis, project boards, and more. It's a versatile tool that can be used for personal organization, team collaboration, knowledge management, and project planning. Trello is primarily a visual project management tool based on the Kanban methodology. It's designed for organizing tasks into boards, lists, and cards, making it particularly useful for managing workflows and tracking the progress of projects. Organization and structure. Notion offers a flexible structure with nested pages, databases, tables, Kanban boards, calendars, and various customizable templates. It allows users to create a wide range of content types and arrange them in a way that suits their workflow. Trello's structure revolves around boards, lists, and cards. Users can create different boards for projects, lists within boards to represent stages or categories, and cards for individual tasks. It's straightforward and easy to use. Features and customization. Notion provides extensive customization options, allowing users to create databases, templates, and integrate various content types, texts, images, and files. It can offer a wide array of blocks that can be combined to create rich and customized pages. Trello is more focused on simplicity and ease of use, while it offers some customization through labels, due dates, checklists, attachments, and comments. Its feature set is more streamlined compared to Notion. Collaboration. Notion supports collaboration among team members or individuals by allowing real-time editing, commenting, and task assignment. It's suitable for both personal and team use, providing different access permissions for users. Trello is great for team collaboration, offering features like assigning tasks to team members, adding comments, attaching files, and enabling notifications. However, its collaboration features might not be as comprehensive as Notion's. Learning curve. Notion's versatility can make it slightly more complex for new users, especially those unfamiliar with its wide range of features. However, once users grasp its functionalities, it can be highly adaptable to various workflows. Trello's simplicity makes it very user-friendly with a shorter learning curve. Its visual interface and drag-and-drop functionality makes it intuitive for beginners. Pricing. Notion offers a freemium model with limited features in its free plan and additional functionalities in its paid plans. Trello also offers a free plan with limited features alongside paid plans with more advanced features and customization options. Ultimately, the choice between Notion and Trello depends on the individual or team preference, the nature of the tasks or projects, and the level of customization and complexity required. Notion tends to be more versatile for various organizational needs, while Trello excels in straightforward project management and visual task tracking. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.